Good evening. Thanks for speaking. ASIMEC, Lorena Patricia Esques Ortiz, 2021. Positive and negative effects of technology on the environment. The business sector plays a preponderant role and environment problems since I act as an active agent between the market for goods and services in which I has adopted action. On the one hand, I tax natural resources and environment conditions to economical value, then by introducing them to the market, influenced consumers for their acquisition. White globalized commercial context wide indicators of health, competitiveness, sustainability, and productivity. On the other hand, the application of technology of July is mostly unfriendly, which leads to the barrier and a return of wasty toxic waste becoming an entropa which logically deteriorates its super capacity. How do you see the future of our planet? I must admit it is difficult to be optimistic about the future of the planet in times of climate emergency and rights of biodiversity laws unprecedented and human story. Today, the atmosphere concentrates more than 40 25 pounds of CO2, and the last time this happened was 5 million years ago, when the planet's temperature was 2 3 centigrades higher. The sea elevation was out to 25 meters higher than today, and the polar caps were unseen most of the year. How to mitigate environmental damage? 1. Use energy efficiently. 2. Periodically review your consumption and thermal insulation and have and cool equipment. 3. Think about how you can reduce consumption or reduce some water streams in the facility. 4. Optimize the packaging of your products. 5. Improve the management of hazardous materials and waste. 6. Raises awareness and of their environment training to workers. 7. Applies techniques to reduce pollution at shore and implements environment management systems and corporate social responsibility. Bye.